The earth cracks beneath their feet. Hunger presses harder than the sun. The weak are carried, the young protected. Still, the path must be walked.
The herd is near. Hoofprints guide the hunters.
Meat means life, but life must be taken with risk.
The chase begins. Strength unleashed in hunger's name. One falls. Victory within reach.
Teeth, stone, and wood carve survival into the dust.
The hunt ends. Life continues. But meat calls others. The savanna never gives freely. Fire blooms. Fear turns teeth to silence. The sun, a burning eye, glared down on a world stripped bare.
Life clinging drop by drop.
This is the gamble of the hunt, a deadly dance between survival and instinct. The hunt is a gamble, a dangerous dance between survival and instinct. In the struggle for life, strength meets resistance. Though victory was theirs, a shadow of danger followed their every step.
In a world that often tests our strength, love becomes our quiet shield.
The savanna does not forgive weakness. It demands vigilance, for the hunter can quickly become the hunted. Fire, a gift as fragile as life itself, whispered from the breath of the world.
Fire, a beacon of defiance, a weapon against the night's hungry shadows. From bone and ash, life found its sustenance.
Children inherit not just life, but the burden of survival itself.
Through these calloused hands, knowledge is not merely passed. It is forged and imbued with the weight of generations.
Storms are the merciless rulers of the savanna.
The first rain, a blessing and a trial.
The tribe, pressed flat against the earth, was dwarfed by nature's fury.
Love becomes the tribe's quiet shield.
From the storm, we rise into the embrace of a new day. Healing is survival's second fire. Below them, a land of unimaginable bounty. A new beginning. They stepped into lands untaken by their kind.
The land, a living map, tells a story to those who know how to read it.
The women of the tribe carry their silent burdens.
The land, a living map, tells a story to those who know how to read it. The passing of strength between generations.
Witness life, 2.9 million years ago.
I take a life to sustain a life. Warmth and food, humanity's first ritual.
Fire is the eternal inheritance of our tribe.
As dusk falls, night becomes both guardian and predator.
Witness life 2.9 million years ago. These smallest lives were carried through endless migration.
Witness life 2.9 million years ago. Every moment is a struggle for survival.
Fire, a shield against the hungry dark.
Courage, glowing brighter than fear. Witness life 2.9 million years ago. Race. These children of hunger and flame live in a world both harsh and beautiful. Witness life 2.9 million years ago. A never-ending march of days, one after another, without rest.
Rival bands are drawn by the same hunger. This savanna, this ancient land, was a battleground.
In the crucible of primal confrontation, the very fire of survival was forged.
Violence is as old as hunger.
Every scar is the price of survival.
The greatest leaders were flarers of courage.
From the very dawn of time, struggle was the heart of the savanna.
Master of fear, master of silence. What could compel such fierce warriors to unite in terror?
It is a moment when two worlds collide, the hunter and the hunted.
In desperation, defiance was carved. In this harsh land, life hangs by a thread.
Witness the savanna's final law, where all bow before the predator. In the wild, fear is the great equalizer. Their mutual hatred was forgotten in the face of a common, terrifying enemy. Watchfulness is the currency of life in this unforgiving land.